Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you that how to remove background noise in a video when you are recording a video. So maybe there are some noises or noises that make the sounds that it is not hearing well when you watch a video. So when you record your audio, your sound, so maybe there are some noises. So if you would like to remove those noise from your recording video or audio, so you can remove that. So I'm using Filmora. So if just hear these sounds that I have recorded this video, so if you hear this, it seems like there are noises. So you can hear. After that I will remove noises, and you will hear that, and you will find the contrast between before removing noising and after removing noising from the video. So just hear for a minute. So that how to remove green screen from the video. So you heard that there were many noises, so I would like to remove this noise. So I will just click on that video or audio that you would like to remove that noises. So I will click on that. So you will see here adjust audio. So just click on that. So denoise, it means remove noise, background noise. So there are three parts: weak, medium or strong. I would like to remove this little bit, or just weak or strong. If I okay this, so the next time if you hear the sound, remove, look, green screen, the noises has been removed from the video. So my sounds I'm recording using very clearly. So this is the video that has green screen. So if I would like to remove green screen, so first of all I will look this. I have removed all noises from the audio. This is just what from audio, and you can remove from video as well. Thanks for watching.